Hello Jeepaholics, we have a concept car, the 1998 Jeepster. So this was a design exercise where they thought, what if we took a sports car and made it be off-road capable, like racing down off-road tracks. So the Jeep guys came up with the Jeepster. Granted, the real concept was red. Boy, how old is this thing? Oh, well, this is nice. It says 2000. Alright, so it's quite old now. And maybe 140 of that year's production. I don't know how many they made, how many different castings they released. So that's cool. I don't know why the modern ones don't say like the year. It's not good for collectability, right? Alright, well, let's take a look. So this thing is powered by a 4.7 liter V8 engine, and the concept can actually raise and lower its suspension 4 inches. So if it's on the road or parked, I guess, look how low that is, for better handling. But then, when it's raised like this, for better rock crawling and off-road ability. This concept is also rolling on 19-inch wheels, so quite large by 1998 standards. Let's take a look now at this thing. So it's got these revolver, they look like Lamborghini Countach wheels, but I guess at least there's 5 holes, and the real thing has 5 spokes. Crazy graphic that Hot Wheels put on here. It's like a stripe with some dots fading out. I actually could have bought this in red, but I just didn't even bother looking up the images of the real car. So I just liked the green one more. Alright. So let's see, we have the classic Jeep grille and headlights and turn signals, just no paint. Sadly, this bumper is like drooping on this side. Oh well. It's got this crazy graphic again carrying across the hood here. And then I like that this silver here on this top piece is nicely done. It's like a roll cage, but a totally open roof. So you can see this black interior. It is a 4-seater. And decent enough details for Hot Wheels, no complaints. On the back we have some molded in light detail, just no paint. Third brake light as well. And I'm going to assume these are supposed to be the exhaust tips, just flattened off for molding purposes. And then yeah, these fender flares are all this black plastic carrying across there. So nice, it says Jeepster. Oddly, I don't see a year of copyright on the bottom of this one. A sec, I always forget this. We gotta check the scale of this thing. 2616 is the published wheelbase of this thing. That's roughly center to center, so divide by 42.17. Yeah, roughly 162 scale. Okay. Got a big. Now, let's try again. And we're back with some of the wheels that were on that concept truck, or my best interpretation using the Hot Wheels Reel Riders. So I think the rear one looks pretty good. It's just that the front one, it's a little bit too big, but I'm trying to reuse these Reel Riders. Also, this casting wasn't intended to have such wide tires, so very often the tire will literally grab the side, and so it doesn't want to roll very freely. But you know me, I don't really care about rolling so much. I added a little silver and orange paint, a little black in there, of course. The taillights, same paint job, and that's it. Left the rest of it alone. So that's good there. So that photo in the back is one Jeep that I think would be a cool real vehicle. Its proportions are crazy, how tall the doors are and the top is not. And the tires are just huge, right? It looks like a cartoon car, actually, which, as you know, I like my cartoon vehicles. Okay, well, let's look at a couple other Hot Wheel pickup-ish, truckish kind of things. I guess the Tesla truck here. Got some 3D printed wheels on that one. I got the good old Honda Sprocket. Again, 3D printed project. Let's do a Mazda Repu. And this, I think, has Forerunner? No, FJ40 or FJ Cruiser wheels on it. Again, I 3D printed those. I think that's enough for today. So sadly, none of these are to scale. So in real life, this is a small pickup. Being an old Japanese pickup, I'm gonna assume, well, these might get along fine. Although I kind of feel like this would be bigger, or the sprocket would be smaller. Well, alright, well, it's the cost of a mainline, so I can't really complain too much. You can still get a lot of realism for the cost of a mainline. So they're the wheels back there if you want to compare to. They're pretty simple wheels. So it was an alright project for me, and hopefully I'll get another concept casting from Hot Wheels and do another project then. Still stay tuned. Thanks.